thick jungle. So here we are in Belgaum. We checked in around 3 in the morning and it's 4 in the evening now. We're going for our first meal. Decided to take a day's break and rest. So we'll do our final destination, final location for this road trip tomorrow. Welcome back to the channel. So another new location, another new destination on this ride. It's 6:05 now. So it's time to start riding. It's time to start our beast. Hello. Connect. Okay, we are connected as well. So let's begin. Maps are Inge. So today we'll be entering Goa. Wow. Open field, sunrise. Goa road is closed evening 6 p.m. to morning 6 a.m. So if you're planning to visit Dudhsagar Falls from Belgaum, or you want to cross into Goa from Belgaum, make sure to arrive here before 6 p.m. This is not the most commonly used road to Goa, but in case you are planning to take this route, keep this in mind. Look at this forest, thick jungle. The roads are nice. So now we are entering Kali Tiger Reserve, Dandeli. That is Karnataka Forest Department, Castle Rock Wildlife Range. So Karwar is 120 kilometers, Dandeli is 70, Belgavi is 80, Dharwad is 110, Hubli is 130, Molam is 40. So we have reached the border of Karnataka and now we enter Goa. Welcome to Goa. And the welcome is very warm with such roads. Hope it doesn't continue. So from Karnataka we went to Maharashtra, came back to Karnataka, and now we have entered Goa on this road trip. This is just a short entry and exit into Goa. Wow! How can we miss this? Just look at that. Paper ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾ? Okay, so we are at Molam checkpost. Bullet. So that's it. I just wanted to see our documents, emission and insurance with driver's license. And we're good to go. Yes, next stop, fuel. So when you cross into the border at Molam checkpost, you will find this board which says take left to Dudhsagar Waterfalls, right next to a HP petrol pump. There is no distance mentioned here, but you will find Kolam and Dudhsagar Waterfalls. Straight. It's कितना?
30 चेंज
20 है तो 10 नहीं है. So we reached Kolam town. This is Kolam railway station. We found parking here. This is the parking lot. Dudhsagar pay parking, Kolam, Goa. Paid 30 rupees for the parking and including helmet. And now we start walking. We are informed that the trek is 2 hours 20 minutes. The time is 8:40 now. So according to the locals' calculation here, we should be there at 11 o'clock. 9, 10, 11, yes, 11 o'clock we should be there. And then on our way back, he told us that there are already few people who have gone. So when they're returning, you can just hop on a train and come here. A lot of parking lots available here. You don't worry about that. Make sure you just carry something to eat, some biscuits, banana, whatever you feel like. Most essential, carry water bottle. Don't forget that. So you don't get into the railway station, walk on the railway track. There is a path. You have to come straight to a dead end here and take this right. Here, this is the dead end. You'll reach this railway crossing here. From here you start your so-called Dudhsagar trek at what gate? LC gate number 14. See? LC gate number 14. Another 2 hours on the tracks. We started at Belgaum at about 6:15 and we were here exactly at around 8:30 now. Yeah, 8:30 we were here. So roughly about 2 hours 30 minutes should do. The roads are nice. Roads are small, it's not wide. Roads are small, but roads are nice. You can opt to stay at Belgaum as well if you are traveling somewhere towards Pune and you plan to visit Dudhsagar Waterfalls. But the only thing is, you can't take that route between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. if you plan to come and stay somewhere in Kolam or something. So for that, make sure you use the different route.
First time walking on railway track.
First time, never walked on railway track.
Never andre like crossings alla walk ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Not crossing, you never walked like this.
No.
Oh, I have walked like this in Bangalore itself.
For what?
There is the old Marthalli bridge, railway track used to be there. So to go to my friend's place during college, I used to walk. I used to walk for about a kilometer or something like that. That used to be the shortcut when you walk on the railway track. It's quite sunny in the morning today. That's a good sign. No signs of rain, so we can walk peacefully without worrying about anything like that. So I read a blog yesterday about what are the things I should know about. I should make sure that okay, fine, I know a little detail about it. So I read it is about 11 kilometers from Kollam and 14 kilometers from Castle Rock. So these are the two places from where you can travel to this falls, and you can obviously opt for the jeep safari as well. That is also an option if you don't wish to walk so far. But then the jeep won't go all the way to the falls. You will have to walk a bit. That I am not aware of. How far is the distance to walk after the jeep takes you there.
What do you think? 8 more kilometers to go?
No, more than that. We are almost 40 minutes into the walk. 40, yeah? Yeah, 40 minutes into the walk. It's 9:25. As you walk in for about 15 minutes, you will find this white patch with these concrete slabs used to lay the railway tracks. They are laid in number of trees. A small path is formed. I don't know why or for what, but it's helpful. It's not mandatory that you need to walk on the railway track all the way. You have an uneven surface, but it's better than walking on the railway track. So it's your decision. You can walk on the track, you can walk on the path as and when you feel like. As for now, for about 20-25 minutes, we've been walking on this path. Basic thing is, it's easier and you cover distance fast. So that is the advantage of walking on this. Slightly slower when you walk on the tracks compared to this. Otherwise, fatigue is hitting a little. After all the lockdown relaxations, I think this is my major cardio workout now. For you, Yatish?
Yeah, absolutely. It's too humid, so that is the reason why we are sweating. It's not too hot.
It's not hot at all. So this is the path I was talking about. The path is there. As long as it's there, it's comfy. But you can hop on to the railway track like this and continue your journey. Just like that. Keep walking. There it is. This is a long train. That's one train for us today. There's a lovely stream here. There it is. There's a lot of water bodies here. I'm trying to capture this butterfly for quite some time now. There are a lot of butterflies here as well. We spotted this snake here. Oh, I just went in. It's going so slow. I thought it was that prank snake that they use, the plastic ones. It was just wiggling around there. We were standing and lucky I noticed that. Otherwise, I don't think it looked like a poisonous snake, but I would have still got into some kind of trouble. Yeah, I never seen a green snake in real life. This one was glowing. I don't know how far the video came now. So after almost 2 hours, 1 hour 55 minutes, we've reached the first tunnel. This is the view of the first tunnel. This is the first glimpse of the first tunnel that we have. There are many more tunnels to come. So let's keep walking. Tunnel number 16 and the first tunnel in our trek. Just look at the year of construction specified, 1904. That means it is 116 years now. Yes, this is a 116-year-old tunnel and the alignment of the tunnel is curved. My first experience of walking into a tunnel. We were just about to get into the tunnel and we heard the, what do you call that horn?
Train
Horn only, no? Yeah, we heard that horn train coming. We saw that green signal there, right, previously. So we're just waiting for the train to pass by and then we'll head into the tunnel. This is the second train after we got into our trek. Oh, he's speeding up. Slowly the intensity of light increases as we go ahead. There is enough space. Even if a train comes, even when you're walking into the tunnel, there is space to head out to the side and stay there until they pass. And we're out of the first tunnel. Look at the view. That side of the tunnel was, what do you say, finished with concrete and all that, but this is completely the rock just carved out and it's been like this since 1904. So as we cross the tunnel and get into a curve, you will find this board, Sonalium. It is here, yeah. You'll find Sonalium's board. There's a train's sound coming somewhere, but we don't know whether it's coming or it's the one which went. We just continue our trek further. So after Sonalium, we reach tunnel number 2. This is a small tunnel compared to the previous one. Tunnel number 15, 1904, and here we enter. It is, what do you say, constructed with bricks, you see that, and then plastered with cement as well. So we have train number 3 coming up. Yatish will pose in front of every single train. Smells like mangoes. Tunnel number 3. There's not much of a gap between tunnel number 2 and tunnel number 3. They're pretty close by. But for this tunnel, we don't have a board description and all. Whatever is painted on the wall is the description available. How many more to come? No clue. Just keep walking until we see the waterfalls. Let's walk in. A lot of water leaking from the roof. Fan ka belt bhul gaya. It is not a 2.5 hour trek, no matter how fast you walk or even if you walk non-stop. I don't think it's possible in 2 hours 20 minutes. I don't know if it's possible or someone's done. Please do comment below. So now I'm going to show you the first sight of Dudhsagar Waterfalls. There
Those trees are covering it, but I can see the bridge and the water flowing from the top all the way to the bottom. There is water flowing in from the opposite direction as well. This is also a pretty huge waterfall. Nice drop. And Dudhsagar Falls is in the opposite side of this track. Look at that. So you can see through the tunnel there is a small patch of light. I think that is in between tunnel number 13 and tunnel number 12. So this is tunnel number 4 for us. There is 16, 15, 14 and this is 13. So finally here we are at Dudhsagar Waterfalls. Bridge number 128. It's 12:30. We started at 8:40. The time is 12:30. So roughly about 4 hours. Yeah, 3.5 hours to 4 hours. You can walk effortlessly. If you're a brisk walker, it's possible to do it faster. So here we are at Dudhsagar Waterfalls. I'm standing at the extreme end of the railway track. We are right in between the bridge. And this is where the water flows out. There are quite a few number of people here. It's not that not many of you here. There are a few people here, about 15-20 people here. But it's nice. The view is, you just want to sit here and enjoy this beautiful view. Yeah, I think that should be a better angle. Surrounded by hills all around. Let's see that. So now we decided to walk down. There is a path here with a short viewpoint. You can go all the way down there. There is a stairway from the other end of the bridge. Here we are on the other side of the bridge. We were there previously. Now we've come down. We'll go down to the water, and then we won't be diving in or dipping in myself. So I'll just avoid it. I'll just go touch the water. Almost 1 o'clock now. So it's time to head back since we have a long ride to do as well. So let's go. Follow me. One more bucket list travel location ticked off in 2020 itself. That was kind of a lucky, I don't know what to say. He was about to fall. Just missed. No fancy shoes or equipment required for this trek. I came in sandals and jeans with t-shirt. That's it. Carry some food and water bottle and you can view this magnificent waterfall. I was told that it's not in full glory. The water is a little less compared to what it's supposed to be, but I think this is sufficient. There is enough water. So let's head back. We'll have to walk till Solan. I keep forgetting names, man. Very tricky names, especially here. Have what food we've got with ourselves. We don't bring anything much. We haven't been carrying much food and all. We're just carrying cake and few Snickers. Our water is over, so we need to just use the water whichever is available here for now. Mountain water, fresh water, do not worry.